sometimes, guys, you can be slightly confused what inherit from what. It means what which class inherit from which class. Okay, so now, for example, we can see that the dog inherit from the mammal, and we need to be sure that we know that mammal inherit from the animal. But sometimes it can be slightly confused, so I would like to show you how to find out what inherit from what. So if we will print here, and we will use a special method, it's called isinstance. So instance means object. So this is object dog and cat, and we can call it instance dog and cat. Okay, so I would like to ask, is a dog instance of the mammal and the cat as well? I will run it, and you can see we have a true and true. So it means that the dog inherits something from mammal and cat inherit from the mammal as well. And of course we can ask about, is dog instance of animal? So it means the class dog, or in another way, this object instance dog is created according to the class dog, and the class dog inherits something from the animal and the cat as well. So we will see, and we will see true. Okay, so now we know that the dog and cat is somehow connected with the mammal and with animal class as well.